Welcome to this week's edition of the Thomas Index Report. The recent electric vehicle boom shows no signs of slowing down. According to the International Energy Agency, electric vehicle sales hit 6.6 million last year, which is more than 3 times their market share in 2019. On the thomasnet.com platform, we're seeing demand for lithium-ion batteries. The batteries used in popular electric vehicles like the Tesla Model S and the Nissan Leaf increased 69% over last quarter averages and 41% year over year. To support this growth, the U.S. Department of Energy last month announced the allocation of more than $3 billion of infrastructure funding to the manufacture of electric vehicle batteries. This allocation includes funding to establish and update battery factories, to process minerals intended for use in large capacity batteries, and to later safely recycle those batteries. Developed in collaboration with manufacturing executives like General Motors CEO Mary Barra and Ford CEO Jim Farley, the infrastructure bill also allocates substantial funding for the government to purchase electric buses and install EV charging stations nationwide. The administration has set a goal of making half of the vehicles sold in the U.S. electric by 2030, which they say would reinforce manufacturing jobs, head off competition from foreign markets, and reduce carbon emissions. I'm Sean Fitzgerald, and this is the Thomas Index Report.